over the world. And today, we are going to be exploring that flip in a completely new way, starting off with the never-before-seen double flip. Starting off with the never-before-seen double flip.
Shit.
Starting off with the never-before-seen double flip.
Okay, one more.
One more.
And I'll say double flip with you this time.
Okay, yeah. Give me some help.
All right.
Maybe you guys hit the like button.
Yeah, do it.
All right.
With the double flip?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Starting with the never-before-seen.
Well, my bad.
Okay. Starting with the never-before-seen
double flip.
Oh
shit. I'm pretty sure double flip though is that's pretty irregular though, no?
People have done that?
I'm pretty sure people have done on some
like double cap?
on some this shit.
Really?
So we'll just do that, okay?
But what's the flips? Because we're doing something even more crazy today. We are going to be flipping not water, but all different kinds of liquids. Check these out. We've all just kind of assumed that water was the best liquid and we've all been using water, but what if there's something better? So today we are doing a special water bottle flip study science experiment to figure out what the best liquid is, and let's go through the liquids, Chad. Starting on this side here. One sec, I don't remember what this is. I think this, I forget, we got a lot of liquids today. So we've got Red Bull, beer, shampoo, ketchup, an egg, a raw egg, dishwashing soap, sriracha, honey, milk, and last but not least, rum. And of course, we do have some water. If Bongo gets here in the next 15 minutes, we might do Coke as well, but he's not here yet, and I'm too lazy to go get Coke. We are going to be testing each of these different liquids to see if they can flip at all, and if they are better suited for water bottle flipping than water itself. And because I know you guys love challenges so much, we are going to incorporate a special little challenge into this experiment just for you guys. So what I'm going to do is everything that I cannot flip, I'm going to put it into a drink and drink it at the very end of the video. Jad's going to drink it too. Why not? Jad, I have a special present for you.
Okay, what is it?
You want to know what the present is?
Yes.
Alright, 1 second. No, don't look, don't look.
All right.
See, last video, you said, Sean, I think it'd be kind of cool if you taught me some of these things and maybe brought me in as the scientist assistant.
Yes, of course.
What, Chad? I think that's a great idea because, to be honest, you've been my assistant for a long time now, and I think it's time we formalize that.
Ooh.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yoy.
Put that baby on. Dun, 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 dun. It's your assistant!
It's your assistant, baby. I'm here back with It's Your Scientist. I haven't gone to school yet, but guys, I'm like the intern, alright? So hopefully, I won't even need school by the end of this because I'll get formal training.
One day, you might be an official scientist too from the University of Science College in New Hampshire, Texas, London, Amsterdam. Since you're now my official assistant, that means you're gonna drink it with me, right?
No.
I tried. So the rules for this science experiment are fairly simple. We are going to try and flip each bottle 5 times. That'll tell us 1, if we can even flip the bottle at all, and 2, whichever one we can flip the most in those 5 times is going to be the best liquid for water bottle flipping. Alright, before we get started with this experiment, guys, let me know in the comment section down below which liquid you think is going to be the easiest to flip. Again, quickly, I'm going to go through them for you guys. We've got Red Bull, we've got beer, we've got shampoo, ketchup, egg, sriracha, dishwashing soap, honey, milk, rum, and water. So let me know in the comment section below which one you think will be the easiest to flip. Now, let's begin. First flip, guys. Drum roll, please. Let's go. Oh my god, that was so close. This is definitely flippable. This is definitely flippable. Let's go! Red Bull flip! That is our first flip of the day on our second attempt.
So Red Bull, you got it.
Red Bull, we've got 1 for 2. Oh, shit! Red Bull, 3 out of 5. Is this the best liquid to flip? Moving on to our second liquid of the day, we have beer. Here, let's give it a shot. First flip, drum roll. That was an atrocious flip. And now it's all foamed up. I wonder if that's gonna make it worse or better. Oh! Fifth and final flip. Will we be adding beer to our drink? Bro, it's unflippable. Look what happens. It's like inflating the inside of this and it makes it push out. So it just pops off. You notice how a couple of those, it landed like this and just fell over. Look, I'm literally just dropping it like that. And it bounces.
Can I have the rest of this beer, or is this for the experiment too?
You drink? Okay, so I think the conclusion is the beer, it might be flippable, but it's very, very difficult to flip. Did you hear that? All of that compressed air, carbonide dioxide was built up in here. I think that's, yeah, look, as soon as you pop the top off, bump that was coming out, it's no longer there. You know what, I'm gonna give it one more flip. Let's see if that works now. Okay, beer is flippable. That was the 6th try, but what you have to do is make sure that you open it every once in a while and release the gas that's built up. Otherwise, it pushes out the bottom and makes it unflippable. Science.
That is actually science, yeah.
Straight up. Does that mean I should be adding it in since it worked? It was the 6th attempt.
Of course you're adding it in.
But it flipped.
Yeah, but it's unflippable because of the thing.
Add it in, bitch number 2.
Yeah, bitch.
Okay. Is that enough?
No, the whole thing.
The whole thing?
Alright. Shampoo.
Please, shampoo flip. This is a much more dense liquid, so I don't know what's gonna happen with this one.
Ooh.
That flipped really fast. Nope. See how quickly it rotates around? That was close. Alright, I'm gonna cap it though. Watch.
Alright.
Maybe if you try like 100 times, maybe you'll get it, but I'm gonna say shampoo, will it flip? Nah. Unflippable, Jeffrey. Boop.
That's fair.
This is another dense liquid. We've got ketchup. First flip. Bro, if you try and do it with the same amount of force that you do with water, it flies. Alright, second flip. My science senses are tingling. We've got a little too much weight in here, so I'm gonna empty out some of this ketchup. Okay, I emptied out a little bit of the ketchup. Hopefully that's gonna help with getting at least one flip in the next 3 attempts so that I don't have to add it to this drink. The technique is completely different. That's the one thing I'm noticing. I'm trying to adapt on the fly and it's not really working. Attempt number 4. Will it flip? Attempt number 5.
Buy now, Rude Boy, check out the...
Oh! It is flippable, Jeffrey! Will it flip? Yes, it will. Next bottle. This one is gonna be interesting. We have a full-out raw egg. Something tells me this isn't gonna flip.
Have you ever had a dream
Flip number 2.
that you could don't, you could don't, you could...
Does that count?
Yeah.
Let's go! It flipped. So it overflipped and bounced back up.
Ooh.
Attempt number 4. Final attempt.
At least you don't have to drink it.
Guys, for the last 5, as we go along, I want you to play along with us. Comment down below whether or not you think it's going to flip before I flip each one of these. So first up is sriracha. Will it flip? All right, next up, we got sriracha.
Sriracha. Shout out to Dave.
The first few flips on all of these is definitely going to be a little more difficult because I'm getting used to the weight. You want to give it a shot, Jad?
Sure.
Here you go.
No practice. Yoit.
What? No! apparently it is flippable because Jad managed to get it on his first attempt, but I didn't flip it, so that means I gotta add it to the drink. Oh, fuck me. So far, most of these things are flippable. It's just you've gotta adapt your technique in order to successfully flip them. Okay, moving on, we have got dish soap. Flip number 1. Oh, this will flip. This will flip. If this doesn't flip, it's because I'm shit. Oh! Oh! No! Oh, like what do you mean?
Yeah.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard sun will pop the...
That was way more than 5 attempts, but it is flippable. We still have to add it in.
That's good.
Next up, honey. We are down to our final few bottles. As always, let me know if you guys think honey's gonna flip. Is honey the best flipping liquid?
Bro,
Honey's the best liquid.
Bro,
It has
that
to be.
was like down and it came up.
It brings it from like the brink of death and comes back. Attempt number 4. Oh. Attempt number 5. Honey's, bro, I think honey might be the best. Give it a shot, Jad. If you get this, I think we might have a winner. We still have a few left.
Bro, you just
Honey
need to toss
is-
that in the air.
Honey is OP. It is OP. From those 5 plus Jad's attempt, you pretty much just have to throw it and it'll do most of the work. Even if you do a bad throw, sometimes it'll bounce back for you. All right, next up we've got milk. I think this could be a good flipping liquid. Let's find out. Flip number 1. Oh. Flip number 4. Oh, that was
Ooh, 2 for 5 though.
2 for 5, solid. Is it better than honey? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. But I will say, this is subjective. I think for each person, different liquids might be better because of your technique, the way you do it. I don't know. Try these at home. Let me know how they work for you guys. Moving on to our second last, rum. You know what, Jad? You do these 5. Come on over here. Come on over here.
Alright guys, Itsy Scientist called me up for the day, and now I have my chance to be a true scientist. Yoink. Oh. First is the worst, second is the best. Let's do this. Yoink.
Oh.
Number 3. Wait. Third is one with the hairy chest. Alright, let's do it.
Oh, and the hairy just gets it. Attaboy.
That's only 1 for 3 though. Let's see if we can finish positive 3 for 5. You know, you gotta loosen up your wrist. It's almost a flick of the wrist. Right?
Water bend that liquor.
1, 2, and
The flick of the wrist.
a little bit curved, alright? Alright guys, for number 5, you know, just pretend you're on a catwalk or runway, you know, just gotta be the flick of the wrist. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Oh, that was a quick one too.
That was close. Well done.
2 for 5.
I think you get a big thumbs up for your efforts today as a scientist.
Yay, my
Good
first
job.
time as a scientist, guys. First
job.
class. Hop around the camera. We got 2 left or 1 left?
1 left.
One
Well, 2.
left.
We got water and Coke. Now we're moving on to actually what is a great combination with the liquor that we were just flipping rum. You can make a nice rum and Coke. Will it flip? Eyes closed. Did it work? Did it flip?
Holy shit!
Eyes closed! Let's
Bro,
go!
that was beast. That was beast.
You know what? I think I might have to do the beer technique.
No. You don't get that till the 6th attempt.
What?
The gas is part of this 5, bro.
Look how slanted this is. You see that?
Yeah.
That's from the gas.
Alright, let's see it. Let's see if you can do it. No.
What? I didn't do anything.
Yo, you're a serpent, bro.
I didn't do anything.
You're a Slytherin Draco
I didn't do
Malfoy
shit.
face
What are you
ass.
talking
We all
about?
heard it.
Heard what? I had to piss. I pissed my pants.
All right, just so you know, you fucked up the first one. So if you don't get this, you're just drinking it.
I did?
Yeah, you didn't get it.
No, you
So
lied to
I
me.
lied to your face.
You asshole.
You're 0 for 3.
Give me my coat back.
You're 0 for 3.
Scientists don't lie, Jad.
Yeah, then why did you release the gas?
I didn't. Is this my 5th and final attempt?
Yep.
All right.
Snake.
What? It is flippable! 5th and final attempt. I can't believe I actually got it. Okay, that took more than 5 attempts. I'm not gonna lie, but
Drink it.
you do have to release the gas. Otherwise, it pushes out the bottom of the water bottle and makes it completely uneven when it lands, so it just will never land. So same kind of deal as the Red Bull. But because it took me more than 5 attempts, let's add it in. Moving on to the final, which is the classic, the water bottle.
Hey.
Attempt number 1. Boom!
Let's go 1 for 1. Oh, almost. 2 for 3. Let's go. Make it 3 for 4 right now. Let's go, Sean. Oh! All right. Now we'll see if water is the best.
Yeah, because we did have one that got 3 out of 5. Is water the best? The undisputed champion, guys. 4 out of 5 with the water. But I will say this. Maybe if I'd done over 1,000 flips with honey, I would be just as good or better with honey than I am with water, because this was my first few attempts with honey and I managed to get 3 out of 5. I've probably flipped this 1,000 times in my life and I only got 4 out of 5 with this. Some food for thought, guys. Some food for thought. All right, let's quickly recap the best of the best. What are our top 3 finishers? In 3rd place, with 2 successful flips, we have Milk. I thought Milk would perform well, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm not very surprised that it's in the top 3, but I'm happy to see that my hypothesis was correct. Next up, we had a 2-liquid tie between honey and Red Bull. Now I will say, I felt like the honey was a little bit easier than the Red Bull, despite the fact that we got the same amount of successful attempts with them, especially if you consider the fact that on Jad's 6th attempt, or his 1st attempt, and our total 6th attempt, he managed to get it as well, so in total it was 4 out of 6, which is a little better than 3 out of 5. The 1st place, the champion, is H2O, aka water. The only one that didn't flip at all was the shampoo, and the only other ones that had issues was really the gassy products because you had to release the gas. So, what did we learn today, folks? You can flip most liquids in a water bottle. There are some that are better, there are some that are worse, but generally speaking, your best bet is in fact water. But as promised at the beginning of the video, I will be now drinking the juice from all of our unsuccessful bottle flips. In this here drink, we have sriracha, beer, shampoo, dish soap, and Coke. All right, guys, before I take a sip of this drink, you know the drill. Scroll on down and smash that thumbs up button. If we can get over 13 likes on this video, that would be absolutely amazing. Let's go. Oh my god.
That was really good, right?
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you decide to try some of these liquids yourself back at home and if they're successful for you or not, and whether or not you feel like any of them is actually better than water. If you guys don't already, be sure to follow me on social media so you can let me know how successful any of these liquids are for you. Also gotta give a big shout out to my boy Chad with the J for helping me, aka Chad with an assistant, aka Jadsistant. Be sure to go check out his channel, youtube.com/ChadWithTheJ.
Subscribe to my channel, baby.
Alright, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and I will catch you next time.